If you are looking for simple and effective ways to store your hand towels and your tea towels, then look no further. That is exactly what we have on its way to you guys right now. The hack I am going to be showing you guys today is a towel organising hack. So this will be things like your hand towels and also tea towels, and the title of today's hack is Apocalypse Towel. The first hack I want to show you guys is utilising one of these. This is my book stand. I got this super cheap off of Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box below. You can pick these up really cheap and I absolutely loved this. I am not the biggest fan of throwing away furniture for no reason. I like the whole repurposing idea. I like to find different uses for things in my house, and this is no exception. So this tends to not have anything in it. My books end up being placed all over the house. So with this, you've got a couple of options. So these are our hand towels. We're gonna fold it in the method that I like to fold in, which is this one. And then you can go ahead and place your hand towels into the sections. This is going to keep them super organised. You can have this on your work sides if you want. You can have it in your bathroom if you want. You can even, if you would like to, convert this into a towel holder. So if you attach 2 screws in the corners here, you can then place it on a wall, and at the top you can slot books into it. We can add my essential oils if we wanted to, and as you can see, visually this just makes for a really beautiful piece within your home. So that is the first hack. The second hack I'm going to show you is where I store my tea towels. You obviously can also use this for your tea towels if you want to. Just switch the hand towels out for your tea towels, load it up, and this makes for a really beautiful, cheap organisation station for your tea towels or your hand towels. My next hack when it comes to a storage solution for your hand towels or your tea towels is go ahead and get yourself a over the door ironing board hanger. I got this one off of eBay. Again, it was really cheap, and this section is ideally supposed to be used for your iron, but I actually decided this would work in my house better as a organisation section for my tea towels. So it frees up my kitchen drawers so I can use them for my cleaning cloths. I've got a lot of cleaning cloths in there, and I just didn't really have the room to add the tea towels then into my drawers. And like I said, this is a really nice way of organising your tea towels. Again, you can do this with your hand towels if you would rather. And the best part is, it is a 2-in-1. You've got somewhere to store your ironing board, and you've got somewhere to store your tea towels. So there you have it, guys. That is 2 really useful ways to store and organise your hand towels and or your tea towels. I hope you have found it helpful. As always, that is what the channel is all about. It is about helping you guys, and in return, you guys help me with some of your genius ideas as well. So it's a win-win for both of us. If you love organisation within your home, go ahead and smash the like button, guys. If you are new here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and click the bell notification. That will notify you next time we upload a brand spanking new video. For more home inspiration, go over and check out my Pinterest page. There are lots of new stories on there and different ideas that I wanted to share with you guys. And if you think that someone you know will find this hack helpful, or any of the other hacks that we have done in this series helpful, go ahead and share it across your socials by following the instructions on the screen. To share the Hayley's Help content, all you need to do is click on this icon here select the platform that you wish to share it on, and then click send. I will be back again tomorrow, my darlings, for day 29 of 30 days of hacks with Hayley. And as always, until then, keep it clean. Love ya.